Blogger is a platform for by Google to help you to write your stuff without worrying about hosting and domain stuff. Blogger is free. You can even add your custom domain if you want to. But how can you customize a Blogger website main menu without coding? See, coding can help you a lot, but you can even do this without the help of that. Go to the main page of your Blogger. If not, you can log in and open your blog's dashboard. Go to the layout. You can see on the left hand menu layout option. Now you can look for the widgets of control of the main menu. You can see it's as pages or menu. Now once you find the widget of menu, now you can click on edit page. Now you can, after clicking on edit widgets, now you can customize your main menu without so much coding. So this was how you can customize your blogger's main menu without coding. Even we can help use ChatGPT and stuff to customize it with coding, but that's not the option for now. So this was how you can customize the blogger's customized theme, look at feel in just simple steps without so much hurt. A layout helps this options a lot.